Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome, new episode on how to. Well, today's going to be a little bit different. I would like to talk something that a lot of developers, designers, marketeers, and anyone who is really involved with web design embrace in their business and workflow if they are designers. The main advantage is that there is no limit. With MonsterOne, for example, from Template Master, with their unlimited plans, you can actually download everything they have in stock. It's great. They also offer support. There is also a starting point where you can actually start with a free tariff. Anyone can try, and trust me, it is free. For all my subscribers and anyone actually watching this video, I'm giving away as well a 7% discount code. Just use the promo code Open Source Channel, one word. All the description, of course, is in the description below. Now, as I was saying, MonsterOne also offers technical support, offers many different opportunity. You can actually use them as well to install a template. But it doesn't really stop there. It's not just about templates, it's about graphics, video, audio, everything under one roof. And by the way, once you have a MonsterOne subscription, don't forget that whatever is not included in MonsterOne, you can buy on Template Master, having a whopping 35% discount only because you are a MonsterOne subscriber. As you can see here, there are loads of them, lots of templates. We're going to look at some of most popular on their website. WordPress, you can do logos, you can do anything you can think of in graphics, they have it. They got project for PowerPoints, keynotes, they got audio, they got video for Premiere, they got other projects you can actually use as well with all Adobe applications. But let's go back to the WordPress section where you can see here you got loads of it. One of the most amazing and one of the best templates I ever used is the MonsterOne. You got two versions, the MonsterOne, the original one, and the MonsterOne 2. You also got MonsterOne 2. They are full and packed with layouts. Everything you need, from plumbing, electricians, any kind of business, everything you can find it here. As you can see here is MonsterOne 2, one of the most popular, if not the best template you can actually find on Template Master, and one of the, I think, is the one that has been sold the most. Let's dive in. Let's have a look of some of the layouts you can get with MonsterOne 2. And as you can see here, every kind of business is listed. You can find anything from lawyers, plumbers, electricians, wedding photographers. You can find e-commerce stores where you can actually sell furniture. Anything you can actually find it here. As you can see, there are hundreds of pre-made layouts, and the beauty of it is all drag and drop because they use Elementor. As I said, with this particular template, you use Elementor, and the best part of it, you also use a plugin called the Jet Elements. This one contains everything that you can actually think of. All the Jet plugins are here in these particular templates, but of course, with MonsterOne, you can actually download all the sets of the plugins Jet, and there are many more you can actually use for free. And when I mean free is because if you do the actual subscription, everything that is in stock is downloadable and it's unlimited for unlimited projects and unlimited domains as well. Every week, MonsterOne adds always brand new templates, graphics, videos, and a lot more. But just don't take my word for it. Just go, create a free plan, and have a look at yourself for a little while, what they do, how they do it, and how many new stuff that gets added every week. It is free. Just add for a free plan, and you will see that what I'm saying is fantastic. And as I said, if you run a business, you do a small web design where you are mainly based as well, for example, on WordPress, one of the easiest web design tools that you can use. It's open source, as you know. I always talk about open source on my channel. So just go and have a look. And I think you'll be surprised with that little what they charge. It is a fantastic tool to have. They do have a lifetime as well. I know it's a little bit deep for a lot of newcomers, but the yearly subscription I think is fantastic. At least for the first few years, you can start like that, and then perhaps you can, you can actually expand with the full lifetime. Again, you only pay once, and that's it. It will be lifetime. You can got lifetime access, and you can do anything you want. Again, Zemez is one of the best designs out there. They do fantastic templates, but DMX as well, as you can see on this demonstration here, they got beautiful templates as well with many different layouts that covers different type of business as well. So again, you're covered. Whatever you do, for whatever business you are trying to create a website for, MonsterOne is the only solution. I think is fantastic. And with, as I said, for more experience, with people who got a little bit more business, with a lifetime, you are covered for life. So first of all, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you took something from it. And again, if you do business, if you do web designing, I think this is one of the best stuff you can get to. I mean, at the end of the day, as I said, you can start for free. You can go the small monthly, and this is, for example, the dashboard. When you get to get everything in one go, you know exactly how many WordPress, how many plugins, how many videos, how many audio systems. Everything is there, and for you to explore and use for your business. I hope you'll be okay. I hope you enjoyed it, and I think this is one of the best tools. I use it myself, and I hope you use it with a lifetime. I might expand. As you know, I got three websites now, and I'm trying to do more things. And I'm really looking to go full and go for lifetime subscription with this. So again, guys, thanks again for stopping by. If you got any comments, just leave the comments below as usual, and I'll get back to you. Anyway, thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.